If you have noticed that ads has started appearing on the home screen of your Samsung tablet, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, just open settings. From here just scroll down and tap on display. Now if your tablet is on light mode, just select dark mode. After you've done that, now in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this app list, we will have to find the app which is causing this problem. Now this is most likely happening because of an app which you have installed. Now from this list, just look for any app which you don't remember installing. Now just look for the app, then select it, then tap on uninstall. Select OK. Now just do that for any apps which you don't remember installing, and also delete any app which you have installed recently. Now if you have done that, but if this did not fix your issue, then under dark mode, just look for any app which has no name and its icon is a white circle. Now this app will only appear in dark mode, so make sure you enable dark mode. After you find the app, then just select it and tap on uninstall. And after you do that, you will delete the virus app which is showing pop-up ads on your home screen. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.